Good morning, friends. It's 18 June. Uh, it's now almost 7. I just got up and yeah, it's a nice day, sunny and bright. So, generally, I keep changing my brushes every 3 months. This brush I was using from almost February. So it's been mid of February. So February, March, April, then May, and this is mid of June. So I'll be changing my brush today. So let's get brushed, fresh, and then we'll start the day. So I'm brushed and fresh. I generally sit in the balcony area for some time before I start my day. Just a few words because I've already mentioned about brushing and all. Uh, Being a dentist, I used to regularly, give not instructions like basically some ways in which you can maintain your oral hygiene. So one of the most important that I feel is changing your brush every 3 to 4 months. It's very important, like because it accumulates a lot of bacteria, and using the same brush, the brush doesn't get cleaned properly. Uh, you will see even after brushing. Uh, After 3 to 4 hours, the brush bristles are still wet, so that means it has that moisture to help the growth of the bacteria. So how much ever nicely you clean the brush after brushing, the brush has some amount of bacteria in it, and the moisture in the brush doesn't allow that to eliminate all the bacteria in it. Also, don't keep your brushes in the bathroom. Keep it in a place where it's airy. It will dry up soon, away from a humid place, like just outside the bathroom or maybe in the balcony. Keep your brushes there. Let it get dried up properly. And another thing which is most important after cleaning your brush is brushing twice daily, for kids as well as for adults, and as well as for elderly people, for anyone. Like we generally say from 6 months of a baby, they can, you have to clean the mouth every day twice. So for babies, generally what you can do is you can take a wet cloth and wrap it in your finger, and then just rub it in the gums, in the upper and the lower gums, uh, every day in the morning and in the night before they go to sleep. And if your baby is breastfeeding, make sure that the milk doesn't stay in their mouth when they are sleeping. So that sorry for that disturbance in the background. Yeah, so just make sure that the milk doesn't stay, because it's not good for the coming teeth. The new teeth that are coming, they'll get rotten. So make sure you mop the gums with a wet cloth wrapped in your finger. And for toddlers and young kids, they can use brush, and it should be practiced in the family, among all family members. So I think these two are very basic and very important oral hygiene measures which everyone should be taking. There are a lot more. I'll let you know as we uh, move ahead in our future days. I'll let you know some more good tips to take care of your oral hygiene. But I think these two are the most basic, and I used to tell all my patients that please change your brush and brush twice. So, okay, for the day, my in-laws are not here right now. They are out of town. So I'll be just cleaning the house. I'll not be mopping. I'll just broom the main hall and my bedroom, and then maybe get my breakfast ready. So I'm done with the cleaning now, and I'll just show you what vegetables I'll be using today for my breakfast and my lunch. For breakfast I'll make simple roti and aloo ka sabji with some tomatoes and green chilies, and for lunch I'll be preparing not much. I'll be preparing bhindi fry, rice, dal, and a cauliflower sabji. So this is for my aloo ka sabji, and then these ingredients are for my cauliflower sabji for lunch. Maybe I'll make a salad. So I have my aloo ki sabji ready, and this I'll pour it down to this vessel, and here I have the dough ready, and these are the cut vegetables for cauliflower sabji. I have rice soaked. This is milk for tea, and this is some bhindi. I'll be frying it, and this is the masala. Hi guys, so we are done with the breakfast, and then I'm just preparing for the lunch. So this is I'm preparing the gravy. I have my fried cauliflower and aloo. So gobi and aloo I have already fried, and then I'm preparing the gravy here. So I've just put jeera and then ginger paste, and then jeera powder, dhania powder, and then some tomatoes and green chili. And I have set my rice for boil. So yeah, that's it. So gobi sabji, and maybe I'll prepare an omelette just before having the lunch, not now. It's very hot here, and after I'm done with the lunch, maybe I'll wash some clothes, and then I'll take a bath. That's it, and then I'll rest. So I'll wait for him to come. He'll come around 2:30. Then we'll have lunch, and he'll go back again. So he comes back in the evening again at 7:30 like that. My cooking part is almost over. So everything is complete. So now I'll just clean the kitchen. I have some dishes to do. So I'll quickly do the dishes, and then I'll just clean the kitchen, and that's it. So, hi, finally, um, we have come to the end of the vlog. আজকের দিনটা গেল মোটামুটি লাঞ্চ করলাম and then I took a nap, afternoon nap, আর এখন উঠে একটু ফ্রেশ লাগছে. So কিছু কথা আমি বলতে চাই, লাইক আমি তো এই ইউটিউব করাটা মানে রিসেন্টলি স্টার্ট করছি. সো মেবি আমার হয়তো ইউনো লাইক দ্য ওয়ে আই এম লুকিং অ্যাট দ্য ক্যামেরা, তারপরে আমার মেকআপ, দেন সারাউন্ডিং, সাউন্ড, লাইট, এগুলো হয়তো প্রপার না বিকজ আই এম শুটিং উইথ মাই ক্যামেরা. সো maybe the video quality will be very very shitty. তো প্লিজ আপনারা এক্সকিউজ করবেন আমাকে সেটার জন্য. and mostly I'll try to keep the language in English because I feel there are many audience out there who would not understand Bengali. যদি আমি পুরোটা বেঙ্গলিতে আমি বাংলায় বলি আর কি. সো এটা হচ্ছে একটা ব্যাপার. and the other thing I want to tell is about my pregnancy. If you have seen my first video, I've already told I'm in the 5th month, 2nd trimester. It's going on. So I'm actually feeling good because first trimester was horrible for me with lot of nausea, giddiness and vomiting. This month I'm very good. The most special thing about this month is the small exercises that the little one does. Okay, I have not yet got a big bump or so, like very small bump which cannot be made out. If I'm wearing like a maxi or a nighty, you can't make out. Only maybe if I'm wearing body hugging something, or maybe a tight kurti. So then a small bump is seen. So as of now no bump is visible, and but I can feel the little movements, not often but very rarely, but it is increasing. I can make out that the movements are increasing. This I am feeling from past 10 days, and right now I am in my 21st week. Yes, 21st week and few months and few days, sorry, and few days. Yes, 21st week and few days. So I am able to start feeling those movements, and those movements make me feel that yes I'm so valuable, that I'm carrying a life within me, and it is it is an feeling which I can't express to would be mothers or people who are yet in their first trimester. Only when you feel yourself you will get to know how heavenly it is, and you can share this feeling only with your mother or mother-in-law, and nobody else would understand this feeling. So this is the very good thing about this month. And so yeah, anyways, this is the end of this vlog. I hope I'll come up with more videos more often. So my editing will be very poor because I don't know what editing tools to be used for this YouTube videos and all that. I have to figure it out slowly. And one thing which I want to mention is my husband. About my husband, he's very supportive. Like the moment I told him that I want to start something like this, he's been very supportive and helping me out with these initial videos. I have to learn a lot. There is yet to learn, like not yet to learn, there is lot to learn. So please excuse me for any flaws that you see in my videos, and please do comment in the comment section, like what changes you want to make in my video, what type of videos you want to see, and like how can I improve in my in the process that I'm shooting my video. If you have any ideas, please let me know, so that would help me to grow my channel. I would really work hard for it, and I would put an effort to bring videos every week. So that cannot be done without your support. So I would really expect you to subscribe my channel, and then like and comment, and share it with your friends and family members who are still thinking that maybe I can also open a channel. So seeing me, they can get little bit of motivation or inspiration, and they can also open their own channel, which may help them to get out of this boredom or loneliness, or if they are out of their profession for any reason, so it may help them. So please do share it with your near and dear ones. So that's it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.